Cell biology. Interpret cell in terms of molecules, such as macromolecules, such as nucleic acids and proteins. While classic cytology deal with light microscope for cell structure examination, whereas cell physiology study biochemistry and cell functions. Therefore, cytotaxonomy, science of cytology and taxonomy. Meanwhile, cytogenetic, science of cytology and genetics. However, cell physiology, science of cytology and physiology. Otherwise, cytochemistry, science of cytology and biochemistry. On the other hand, cytopathology, science of cytology and pathology. In details, cytotaxonomy, classified organisms based on properties of their cellular architecture, such as karyotype, while cytogenetic, study structure of DNA within cell nucleus during cell divisions, by studying number and morphology of chromosomes. Otherwise, cell physiology, study activities that occur within cell to maintain its viability, such as structure and functions of eukaryote and prokaryote cells. However, cytochemistry detects cell constitution through biochemical analysis by using staining methods, so it considers subfield of cell biology. On the other side, cytopathology study anatomic pathology for evaluation samples from various anatomic locations by smear sample onto slide or suspend sample in liquid medium. Thanks for attention. Please like and share and subscribe Genetic Teacher videos and channel. And for any question, please write comment.